Today we are going to upload videos from your iPad to your school YouTube channel. Once you have created your video, you will go to Safari and navigate to youtube.com. Once in YouTube, in the upper right-hand corner, make sure that you've signed in to your school Gmail account. From there, click the red arrow to upload your video in the right-hand corner. You can click the Select Files to upload, and you can make them public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. For now, we're going to go ahead and leave them public and choose our video. You can go to your photo library and access all the videos that you've created with your iPad. While the video processes, you can update the title with either the assignment title or your own title. Click in the box below to add a short description. On the right-hand side of your screen, click where it says Public and change to Private. From there, click the Share button next to Only You Can View. You can update this by checking the box where it says Let Everyone at SD150.org view. This will allow your teachers to view your videos. Click OK. In the upper right-hand corner, click the Share button. You can now copy the link to be shared with your teachers via email or Canvas assignment.